Here we go. We have a question, find length of loop. We have given the head of linked list and we have to determine whether the list contains a loop. If a loop is present, we have to return the number of nodes in the loop, otherwise 0. In this case, we have a loop and loop length is 4. In this case, we also have a loop and its length is 7. So the output is 7. In this case, we don't have a loop, so we have to return 0. So let's build the approach. We have this linked list. So this is our head node. So in this, we will apply a famous approach known as fast and slow pointer. Fast pointer points to the head node and slow pointer also points to the head node initially. Now, slow pointer increment or goes to next value by only one step, and fast pointer takes two steps, 1 and 2. Fast points to this value and slow points to this value. Again, slow points to this value and fast points to this value. Again, slow points to this value and fast points to this value. Again, fast points to this value and slow points here. Fast points to next and next here and slow points here. Now fast points here and slow points here. On the next step, fast point here and slow points here also. So now slow and fast points to the same node. So that's the point, and we are sure that there's a loop present. So that's why slow and fast reaches same node. So we have a loop in this linked list. Now we have to determine the size of this loop. So what we do, we are sure that in this linked list we have a loop. So we need to track how many nodes are there. Slow points to this value. So we have a node. Now fast points to this value. We will check, is this the slow node? No, it is not. So we have another node. The answer is 2. Fast points to next value. Is this a slow node? No, this is not. Answer is 3. Is this a slow node? No, it is not. Answer is 4. Is this a slow node? No, the answer is 5. Here, this node is also not the slow node. So we have 6 nodes, or answer is 6 till now. Fast points here. Is this the slow node? No, it is not. So the answer is 7 in this case. Fast points to the slow node itself. So we have traversed the loop and there are in total 7 nodes. So that's how we will determine whether slow and fast points to the same value or same node or not. What if there is no loop? Like in this case, so fast points here and slow points here. Fast increment 2 times, slow increment 1 time. In this case, fast cannot increment 2 times because its next is null. So we cannot increment our fast node. So we are sure that its next value is null. So there's no loop. We will return -1. Or suppose we have this fast and slow points to the initial value. Fast takes 2 steps and slow takes 1 step. Either false is null or false next is null, means there is no loop. So in this case we have to return 0. So let's code this. So initially we have fast pointer points to the head node and slow pointer points to the head node, while fast is not equal to null and fast next not equal to null. So we will do, so we go inside this while loop. Now fast takes two steps. Fast is equal to fast next next, and slow takes one step, slow next. Now any given moment, if fast is equal to slow, means there's a loop present and we have to find the length. So I will build another function. So let's say find length, and I will pass this is slow node and fast node, else we will return 0. So let's build this function find length. We have a node fast and we have a node slow and a answer value. Initially answer is 1 and fast points to fast next, while fast not equal to slow. So we go to next node fast next and increment our answer variable, at the end return our answer variable. So let's give it a run. So we have some error here. So if I remove this pointer and instead of this slow we have to write next, and now let's give it a run, and here we have to write pointer slow and fast. Let's now give it a run. Yes, let's submit this. So let's talk about time and space complexity. So in this we have to iterate in a loop. So the worst case in this we have to iterate on every single node. The time complexity is order of n and space is constant. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all for watching.